So these are the two new trains we'll be testing. One is a Bachmann class 158. I got the second hand off of eBay. It's the second one I've got, so I can run it together with the other one. Saved about £45–50 on the price they're going for on like the model center and stuff like that at the moment, which is the best one you can get brand new. It's mint condition, box is in perfect condition as well, so it's completely as new, so it's definitely worth getting it second hand. And the other one, again, is second hand. I got this 66789 from a site called Jane's Trains. Again, it's in mint condition, detail pack unopened for both of these, but this 66 was £120, which as far as they go, that's as good as it gets when they're sold out like this one is. Some of the more common ones like Freightliner might be like £80 or £90, but with ones that are harder to come by like these, they can sell for 150 to 160. So again, going second hand seems to have got us a good bargain. So as long as these work, we've got good value for money. So we'll test them out. So the first new one we've got here is one that I've already got. This is the second one I own. Basically I'm going to put them together because they have couplings at the front and run it as a 4-carriage train, which is what I'm used to seeing up here in Manchester. So hopefully at Christmas I can show you guys that, and it should look pretty good. But this is a Bachmann class 158, and they're really good models. They always run very well and have loads of different lighting details, which is always nice. So 66 runs really smoothly as well. Quite a lot quieter as well, which is nice because these can be really loud sometimes. But yeah, I can't wait to get this one on the layout back home either. Go well with the Accurascale GBRF wagons and the Biomass ones as well. So yeah, hopefully I've heard that the Hornby Drax wagons are delayed a lot more. They're meant to come out in the October just gone, but apparently they might not be until summer 2023 now. But it'll be worth the wait, and they should look really good behind this one. It's quite a striking livery, I really like it. So as we can see, the new Hornby wagons have arrived. I absolutely love these, and I think they're probably my favourite wagon that I own now. These were the aggregate ones. So here are 4 that I got from the model centre. I was very lucky to get these because I think they never went up on the website. I actually emailed asking about them, and there were only one pack of each available per customer. I think only 3 of us customers got the initial There was only 3 packs of each available basically, and I managed to get one of each off of the model centre. They might have added more now, I don't know, because some shops got increased allowance. But anyway, we also have a mountain of them here. So here we have another, this is another 28 wagons, another 14 packs. And basically I messed up. So when I was emailing the model centre, they thought that they were single pack wagons. And I basically went around a lot of other shops looking for them and buying ones where I could at the price of 50 per pack, which I think is a bargain, by the way. I think this is like Hornby's wagon of the year for me because it's just such good value, £25 each. But these aren't all the wagons I've got coming, so here we have 32, I have another 24 on the way. And what happened is I thought I was ordering 28 single wagons, so that I can make a full rake of, 24, and then the other 4 were almost like a safety net, because some shops didn't seem 100% certain they'd get any, like the model centre weren't very convincing that they were actually going to get the ones they'd been allocated. So I thought, well, I'll just buy every single one I can get my hands on and then just pass them on. But by the looks of things, all 28 packs are going to come. And not only that, they're double packs, which again I inquired about, and the model centre seemed to think that they were only single packs. Even though some shops were saying they were double, I didn't realise they were doubles until they landed with Olivia's trains like a few days ago, maybe a week ago actually. And by then I was like, well, I've already paid for them, I may as well get them. So I'm gonna have to stick a load of these on eBay. I promise I didn't get all of these just to sell, but some of the, like I say, I wanted an original safety net of like 4 wagons just to make sure that I could get my full rake for my future layout, because I know they can't fit on this one, but I really want a full rake of these Drax wagons when I have my own house and layout. But now I've got 56 wagons due, like an offer, like in total I'll have 56, which is ridiculous. So I'm just going to be sticking them on eBay, I guess. I might be approaching some people to see if they want them at a fair price, but I'm not going to take the mick with pricing. I'm just going to let people bid on them or put them on for whatever Olivia's were putting them on for. But anyway, it was a nice surprise to see these come through on Olivia's, and they were double packs, but it was kind of like an oh dear moment, because I realised how many wagons I was actually going to have to be storing. And as you see, there's already a lot of boxes over there of stuff I'm selling, so I guess keep an eye out on eBay. They'll be going up at some point, some of them, but some of them will be kept. But overall I'm really happy with these, so let's get some running shots of them.